While for preparing it, we'll start with the mint. I have some mint here. Sugar. This is some powdered sugar. You may also use sugar syrup. I have grated the skin of the lemon, which is known as lemon rind. Some lemon wedges, lemon juice, ice cubes, and some club soda. So let's start preparing it. I have a mortar and pestle. I am going to add the lemon wedges to it. I am using only 2 to 4 lemon wedges. Actually I have 4 of them, and some mint to it. So this can also be called as a nojito or an alcohol-free mojito, mojito. Now we just want its juices to extract, and we don't want to crush it completely. We just want to crush it for next 10 to 15 seconds very lightly. The mint has extracted its flavor, and the lemon has also leaved its oil, and it's very refreshing. I mean, the smell is very refreshing. So now let's assemble the drink. I have a glass here. I'm going to add the crushed thing to it. So make sure you get maximum out of it, as it gives the maximum flavor to the drink. Now I'm going to add a pinch of the orange skin, orange rind. It will give a very nice flavor to the drink. As well as I'm going to add about a teaspoon of lemon juice to it for an extra kick. Now I have some sugar. I'm going to add a teaspoon to it. So this much will be fine. Now I'll just try to mix all of these once. So just try to mix it once. You don't need to mix it completely. I think the sugar will be a little less for me. I'm going to add some more to it. So this much will be fine. So you may add according to your taste. So this is somewhat mixed now. I have here some club soda. So make sure. Now the drink is done. It's very easy to prepare it. It's very refreshing. I'm going to pour little by little so that it does not come out. So you can see the mint is floating on top, and it's looking very delicious. I'm just going to give it a mix. So our mojito is ready. The mojito is ready. I'm going to give a pinch of the orange skin, orange rind.